Hey guys, this is Eve with Scrapbooking with me, and this is Thursday. It is our Cricut day. Now, today, what I want to get out of you is I had so many people that said I got a Cricut for Christmas, but I'm afraid to open it. I don't even want to open it because I don't know where to start. The best thing to do is open the box. That's the first thing that I want you to do is go get the Cricut right now. Just pause this video, go get your Cricut, open the box. Take everything out of the box and lay it out on a table. Then you'll notice that you have these guides in there. There's one for the iPad, one for a computer, and then you have one that just says learn more. Then you have a quick startup guide that's here, and then just a registration warranty thing. So get all of those out and just kind of look through them. The one that I concentrate on the most is the one that says computer. And it will walk you step by step through how to set your Cricut up. Also, this number right here is a very important number. I keep this number on my Cricut. I have it on the inside where I open it up. I have that number just there on a little sticky note. That way, if I have any problems, I call that number. They are usually very, very helpful. I've never called them what they didn't help me or try to help me at least. So, and if they don't know, they'll figure it out and get their tech people and call you back. But open your box, plug it in. Number one, it just tells you to take your cords out and plug your cords in the back. One of them will be a round cord, one of them will be kind of a square-like cord. Plug those in. And this is on the Cricut or the Cricut Maker. I think both of them are basically the same. And then you're just going to open it up and turn it on once you get everything plugged in. Now make sure that you plug your Cricut into a wall outlet that is secure. A lot of times people will plug them into an extension cord. It's a 3-prong plug, so you want to make sure that it's grounded. If not, and some kind of power comes in, then you may have a chance of losing all the information on that Cricut because it could burn it out. Make sure that that wall plug is grounded. You've got a 3-prong plug, and you can plug that in. Don't plug it in just with a regular extension cord. Now, that being said, I do have mine plugged into a power strip. I've got a real heavy duty power strip that's, supposed to be guaranteed for X amount of dollars. But I plug mine into that power strip, and then I can flip it off and on through the power strip if I need to. But just make sure that it's grounded really, really well, because you don't want a power surge to come through your house and fry your Cricut. So that's the main thing that you need to do. All right, after you turn it on, then you're going to decide whether you're going to set your Cricut up through your Bluetooth or if you're going to set it up just by using the wire attachment on the back. Now, you can do either or. I have mine set up through my Bluetooth because it's just a lot easier. I don't have to have them right beside my computer. Plus, I have my phone, my iPad, my Mac, and my desktop all hooked up to the Cricut so that I can run multiple things and cut multiple things at the same time. Now, I have a Cricut Air Explorer, and then I also have a Cricut Maker. And I will tell you, I love my Explorer machine. I love it. I use it for everything, unless I'm cutting chipboard or doing some things that's heavy duty, and then I use my Maker. But go ahead and decide if you want to plug it through your the wire that comes with it, or if you want to plug it, attach it up through your Bluetooth. Now, these are some instructions for Windows and Mac that have the same instructions, and then I have instructions for the iOS and Android. So if you have an Android phone or iPhone, I have instructions for that as to how to hook the machine up. And I will put these over on the website. I'll type them up and put them over there, along with some simple basic instructions on how you find your Bluetooth on your computer. If you've never hooked anything up through Bluetooth on the computer, it can be a little bit confusing. But the best thing to do, and like I said, I will have these instructions written over there, is go to your startup button on your computer and right click. And when you right click, you'll have a drop down that'll come up that'll have all different kinds of things in there. And you want to click on Device Manager. And when you click on Device Manager, then it'll bring you up another little line of things. And in that line, you should see something that says Bluetooth. Double click on that Bluetooth or single click, every which computer you're on. Some of them you have to double, some single. But click on that Bluetooth until it opens up a menu. And then you should see, if you've got your Cricut on, make sure your Cricut is on, you should see that Cricut pop up there. It may take it a minute, but you should see anything that's running on Bluetooth, it should pop up there. And it'll give you step-by-step instructions on what you need to do. I sometimes have to go to my router and hit the little button on my router to get things to hook up through Bluetooth, but it'll tell you if you need to do that. It'll say, you know, click the button on your router or whatever. And if it asks you for a PIN number, the PIN number on all of them is the same. It's 0000. That's the PIN number on all of them. That will be over in the instructions too. But that is basically how you get it hooked up and how you get it started. Now you'll need to go to, let's see, I think it's www.cricut. Let's see if I've got it written down anywhere. It gives you a good startup instructions. I think it's on one of these papers somewhere. And if you just look through these papers, it tells you basically exactly what to do. And I don't really like to read a lot of information, so let me look. Do I have it on my notes? Okay, if you just click, and I'm going to write this on here so that I'll remember to put it on the instructions. But if you click Cricut, type this in your URL up there at the top. But like I said, I will type all of this up and put it over on my website so that you can, I'll try to put it in a PDF so that you can print it off very easy without having any trouble. But between now and next Thursday, I want you to get your Cricut out, open the box up, plug it up, turn it on, follow some easy setup instructions, get it hooked up to your computer, whether by Bluetooth or just plugging it into the back of the computer, and then go to that setup and just kind of follow the instructions there. And then when you get through with those instructions, if everything is set up right, then it should say you'll see a thing that says setup is complete. That means your Cricut and everything is set up and it's complete. Okay, now after you do that, you need to go ahead and download Cricut Design Space. And all you'll need to do is go to this, www.cricut.com/design, and it should bring up Design Space. And you'll need to create an ID, just a sign-in ID like you do when you go to any new website, and a password. And then tap the menu and select Machine Setup and App Overview, and select New Machine Setup. And then from there, it'll just kind of prompt you where to go all the way down. But that is the main thing that you need to do. Let's go ahead this week and get everything set up. Get your machine out, get it turned on, get all of this set up. And then between now and next Thursday, it's in the comments below. I want you to go ahead and type out some different questions on what you want to know on the Cricut. What you want to learn. Is there something in particular that you want to see done? just type me out any kind of questions that you have, and I'll research them between now and next Thursday. And then next Thursday, I'll take the first question and just kind of go down the line, and we'll get as many done as we can get in probably maybe about 45 minutes. But let's do that. This week, all I wanted to do was just let you know what we're going to be doing on this channel on Thursdays. We're going to totally dedicate our Thursdays to Cricut. So any kind of questions you have, problems you have, anything like that, just leave them in the comments below. I'll research them and I will get back to you on next Thursday's video. So make sure that you leave me lots of questions on things that you want to learn how to do. Okay? All right, that's the only thing that we're going to go over today. So go ahead, get that box, drag all that out, and get that started. You can look over. I'll have all of this typed up on my blog. The link will be directly below, and I'll have as much information over there as I can as far as you getting your Cricut out and getting it set up so that we'll be ready next Thursday to do some cutting. All right, we'll talk to you guys later. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.